In one of our previous videos, we saw how to use the input-output logics of our Iris fire panels. Today we are going to see another example scenario that is going to use more advanced options. In this example, the elevator must stop operation in case of a fire in Zone 1 or Zone 2 and activation of the manual call point. We are using a relay output of the MIO-22 module that is going to stop the elevator. The difference here is that we have the additional requirement that says we will also need a signal from the call point in order to trigger the logical scenario. What we need to do is to create input 1 for fire in Zone 1, input 2 for fire in Zone 2. They are going to be in OR logic, and we also need to create input 3 to follow the status of the manual call point. We've already seen how to access the programming menu and how to create inputs and outputs. First, we will create the inputs. Inputs 1 for fire in Zone 1 and input 2 for fire in Zone 2, just like in the previous example. Then we create input number 3. This input must be programmed to follow condition of loop device, which in our case is the manual call point. To do so, we need to select type loop, then enter the correct loop and device number. The last and the most important step is configuring the logical output. First, we link the output to the MIO-22 module and then we edit the input map. The specific condition here is that we need to program input 1 and 2 in OR logic, while the input 3 must be programmed in AND relation. In this case, the output will be triggered in case of a fire in Zone 1 or Zone 2, but we must also have an activation of the call point.